How to clear cache and cookies on a Snapchat app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear cache and cookies on a Snapchat app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device and head to the camera section of Snapchat. Make sure to log into your account and proceed to the Bitmoji icon at top left corner to access your profile feed. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen and locate Account Actions section. Tap Clear Cache and all of your cache will be cleared when you tap Continue button. But remember, your memory's backup won't be deleted. Wait for a few seconds and after that, your cache and cookies on your Snapchat app will be successfully cleared. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.